This question in chemistry shorts of this YouTube channel Chemistry Table is very important, because this question is the best book for ICSE, is concise, and this is important even for your board examination. What is the question? What do you understand by the statement acetic acid is a monobasic acid? Look at the board first. This is the formula of acetic acid. Whenever acetic acid dissociate, it will form H plus only, and rest of this atom combine to form CH3 COO minus. See, H plus and CH3 COO minus. When this H plus combined with water, it will form one hydronium ion. Why one hydronium ion? Because only one H plus will form. One H plus react with one water and form one hydronium ion. So what is the answer? Acidic acids on ionization, see ionization in water, after ionization it will form H plus, and in water produce one hydronium ion per molecule. So one molecule produce one hydronium ion. That is the statement acetic acid is a monobasic acid. Okay, so underline these word key term. Whenever you write down the answer in board, underline the keyword using the pencil and try to show this reaction. This is the best answer of that question. Thank you.